Now let's start. All of you, please look at the pictures or look at the text on page 20 and tell me what do you think our lesson today will be about? Yes, Abdul Malik, very good. In English, please write in English. Very good. Yazan, Muhannad. Okay, thank you very much. So you all agree that our lesson today is about jobs. Okay. Can you give me another word for the word job? It's a word beginning with the letter C. It's beginning with C. What is this word? Mm-hmm. Fahd. Very good. Fahd. It's career. Yes. So another word for the word. Another word for Yazan. Very good. Thank you very much. Yazan. Yazan. Fahd. Yes. So I can say today's lesson is about careers and also it's about jobs. Okay. Look at back to the text and tell me how many jobs are we going to talk about in these texts. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. What are these jobs? يبقى 3 jobs. النهارده في عندنا هنا 3 jobs. Okay, 3 jobs. What are these jobs? The first one is yes, car sculptor. Yes. What else? The first one is car sculptor. The second one is very good, food scientists. The other one is, or the third one is animation designer. We are going to read about car sculptor, food scientist, and also we are going to talk about or read about animation design. Who is interested in car sculptor or who is a car sculptor? Now you can go to the chat box and tell me who is this person. Go through the text. Yes, very good, Nawaf. Yes, very good, Nawaf, very good. Salim Saif. Yes, Salim Saif. Now back to the class. Repeat after me. Career. Again, career. Career. Career also means job. Sculptor. Sculptor. Sculptor is a person who makes sculptures. طبعا واحد يقول لي sculptures. What does mean sculptures؟ اللي هو التماثيل والحاجات هذه. Okay. Associated with. It means connected. Permanent. Something that is permanent or lasting for a long time. Miniature means very small. Laboratory. Room for experiment. It's a room for experiments, for scientific research and so on. Combinations. طبعا combinations اللي هو mixture between more than one thing. Okay, quality means the standard or the measures to judge if something is good or bad. Employer is the person or the company that pays someone to work. يعني صاحب العمل, the person who pays me to work is my employer. And at this time, I am the employee. اللي هو worker or العامل, someone who is paid to work. Hire, to give someone a job. These are very important words and you have to memorize them. Now back to the text. Let me ask you some questions about the first paragraph, اللي هو the first job, اللي هو car sculpture. قلنا what's the name or the person's name؟ قلنا اللي هو سالم سيف. طيب, where does he work? Now to the chat box, tell me where does he work? Very good, Abdul Malik. Very good. Yes, Muhannad. Yes, we are asking about the name of the place, the name of the company he is working. Yes, he is working as a car sculptor. But I'm asking you where? Where does he work? What's the name of the company he works in? The name of the company. Yes, Ammar. Very good, Ammar. Yes. I'm talking about the company he works in. Talal, I'm talking about the company. Haytham, the company, the name of the company. Like Toyota, Aramco, for example. not Aramco, in the text, go to the text, go to this part of the text, go to this part and tell me where does he work? In this part, you can find the name of the company. Yes, Abdulaziz Muhammad Askar, very good. Yusuf, he's not working in Aramco. Not in Aramco. He works in a place for manufacturing and making cars. طبعا Abdulaziz Askar with some other people. Haytham, is he working at college? The place, look here, up as a sculptor for General Motors. So the name of his company is General Motors. The name of his company is General, this one, General Motors. This is the name of his company. Okay, my next question is, what does he do? What does he do in this company or in the company? What does he do? Also back to the text and tell me, what does he do? Very good, Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik, you are excellent, and you always get it from the very beginning. Crafting anything. What does he do? Yes, very good. He makes clay models of cars. Yes, very good. He makes clay models. He makes clay models of car. Very good. Thank you very much. Okay. Now to the next job. This job. Please stop writing about, yes, please don't write in Arabic. Now to this, what's the name of the person who works as a food scientist? طبعا ده food scientist, يعني واحد عالم متخصص في الغذاء. Very good Ammar. Yes. Who else can tell me what's the name of the person in this text? What's the name? Abdullah Salman, very good. Thank you very much. Abdulaziz Nawaf. Very good. He's Matthew Duval. This is the name of the food scientist. Okay. Thank you very much for those who participated and got the point. Now, where does he work? Where does he work? Where does he work? When I say where does he work, I'm asking you about the place. Yes, Ammar, very good. The place where he works. Where does he work? Come on, boys. Still asleep or what? The name of the place where he works. Yes, Tasty's Ice Cream. He works in Tasty's Ice Cream. Okay? زي ما قال عبد الملك وفي عمار and some other people said that he works in Tasty's Ice Cream. Okay, to my last question in this part. What does he do? What does he do in this company or in this laboratory? What does he do? What does he do? Yes, he is a food scientist, but I'm asking about make food. Is he making food? Making ice cream? Is he making ice cream? طبعا يا شباب ان ده اسم الشركه making ice cream. عبد الله سلمان يقول searching for new combinations. yes عبد الملك صبحي always gave the point. عبد الملك صبحي, thank you very much. يبقى هنا وطبعا في واحد someone said searching for combinations of flavors to keep. Yes, very good. Creating several new flavors. مسؤول عن ايه؟ عن عمل النكهات بتاعت الايس كريم. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Stop talking in this point, and now to the last text or the last paragraph in our text. Okay, let me ask you my first question. What is, we said that it's about animation designer. This paragraph is about animation designer. اللي هم جماعة مصممين الانيميشن. Okay. طيب, what skills do animators need to have? What skills do animators need to have? What skills? ما هي المهارات? What skills do animators need to have? What skills? Now, to the chat box again. What skills? It's very clear in here. What skills? المهارات اللي هم محتاجينها to be an animator, yes. What skills? شباب, please try to get it out from the text. Yes, Ammar, very good. Ammar, very good. Abdullah, Talal, very good. Yes, Fahd Salim, very good. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. يبقى the animators need to have artistic ability, creativity, storytelling, technical skills, scientific and technical knowledge, and the ability to work with others. These are all the abilities. دي يا شباب المؤهلات بتاعتهم أو المهارات. The skills he needed to have in order to work. واحد animators لازم يكون have artistic ability, يكون فنان. Creativity, عنده إبداع. Storytelling, يعني يقدر يحكي قصة, يألف قصة من دماغه كده. Technical skills, فني يعني مهارات تكنولوجية. Scientific and technical knowledge, عنده معرفة علمية. Okay, scientific and technical knowledge. And the ability to work with others. وكمان to work in teams, to work with other people. The question is, what projects require an animator? ايه المشروع اللي محتاج للانيميترز? What projects require an animator? Back to the text and tell me what projects need animator. المشاريع اللي محتاجه الواحد انيميتور. Yes, يزن, very good. يزن, films, animation films. Yes. يعني المشروعات اللي محتاجه للاكشن فيلمز مثلا for example, والانيميتد موفيز, وكمان الجيمز, interactive games. All these projects, yes, very good. Interactive games. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. يبقى these action films, animated movies, interactive games, all these projects need animators. كل ده يا شباب بتحتاج للانيميتر. In this part اللي هي page 21, these are some of the qualities needed for some jobs. If you want to go for a job, you can be asked about your qualities. يسألوك عن المؤهلات بتاعتك أو الخصائص بتاعتك أو المميزات. Okay? These are the qualities needed for some jobs. The first one is, now you can repeat after me. Communication skills, مهارات تواصل. Honesty, integrity, اللي هو الإخلاص والتفاني في العمل. Teamwork skills, مهارات اللي هي العمل الجماعي. Interpersonal skills, اللي هي الخصائص interpersonal اللي هي الاجتماعية. Strong work ethic, اللي هو أخلاقيات العمل. Motivation, initiative, شخص يكون عنده motivation, الدافعية والمبادرة. Flexibility, adaptability, يعني someone who is able to change from one position to another and accepts other requirements job requirements الشخص اللي هو المرن تحمل متطلبات العمل. analytic skills مهارات تحليليه. computer skills مهارات اللي هي السكيلز الكمبيوتر سكيلز الكمبيوتر مهارات الكمبيوتر الحاسب يعني. organizational skills time management skills مهارات اداره الوقت يعني who is able to manage his time قادر يدير وقته ويستفاد من وقته and to make the most of his time. critical thinking and problem solving skills. critical thinking يعني عنده تفكير ناقد and problem solving skills يعني مشكله اللي هو مهارات حل المشكلات حسب الوظيفه اللي انت تقدم لها. اوكي. these are 5 true false sentences. دول يا شباب 5 جمل صح وخطا. these are your homework. دي تعتبر الواجب بتاعك. اوكي. and you have to answer them. حاول بقى ان انت ان شاء الله تحول لهم after you read the text. هتقرا النص ثاني and answer these questions. موجوده في صفحه page 21 تحلهم ان شاء الله about the text. اوكي. ده اللي هو النص اللي هتحل على اساسه الفايف سوري 5 true false questions. اوكي. حصتنا او شكت على الانتهاء خلاص. if you have any questions لو انت عندك اي سؤال you can drop it in the discussion room. حط السؤال بتاعك في discussion room. اوكي. and ان شاء الله I'll send you the answer. مطلوب منك ان شاء الله to memorize the words. تحفظ الكلمات دي كويس عشان بكره ان شاء الله اسالك فيهم. هختار بعض الناس واسالهم. طب هسالك ازاي؟ هقول لك miniature تقول لي والله very small. what's the meaning of combination تقول لي two or more things mixed together. هختار 2 4 6 8 هختار بتاع حوالي 10 طلاب to answer these questions. يبقى انت النهارده في البيت تحفظ لي الكلمه بالانجليزي دي وتعرفها بالانجليزي. اوكي. وان شاء الله I'm going to ask some questions about these words. ده الواجب بتاعك. والواجب الثاني ان انت تحل الاسئله true false questions. اوكي. thank you very much and I hope you the best of luck this day inshallah.